Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a mad kitty, but it's also going to be like a blue kitty and then it will go to a lighter shade of blue. No, actually a darker shade I meant. Okay, so let's get started. I am just going to draw just a mad kitty cat. Okay, so I already told you the ears. Well, if you guys watched my other ones, they're just tiny triangles. I did the other one right here perfectly. Okay. Now, if I learned anything, I learned that I need to lock off the bottom or it ruins the whole thing. So, I did a few mess ups in my other videos, but that is totally fine. But we're actually gonna cut off this right now. If any of you guys play Animal Jam, it's kind of like a Persian. Actually, I kind of like it going dark to light. Okay. Now we're gonna get our black, and then we're gonna go, I think I'm gonna go, well, I always like my eyes to be kind of perfect, especially on YouTube. But it's not fully perfect. It's so hard to get this. Come on. That's good. Okay. Okay, there we go. And the next thing you're just gonna want to do is you just want to color it in. But in this app, it is harder because now I have to color the whole thing in. I am going to fast forward through this. See you guys in a minute. Okay, I'm back, guys. So I did it. All you need is that, and then you're going to want to do your white like this. I know it looks happy, but it's not going to be happy after we add these eyebrows. And then the last touch. She's kind of mad, but kind of feisty. Like this. There we go. And then if we want to make it look even more mad, we can just add the mad sign. Actually, I think I like it. Like that. And then I am actually gonna do like a little paw right here. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Okay. Well, there he is, and he's like saying, I'm tough. That's what I always imagine cats saying, because it's adorable. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.